Hey, what's up friends? So today we're going to learn about the operations on integers. So this is for your review purposes. So let's start. Operations. Operations on integers. Okay, so the first operation na naton is addition. Okay, for example lang, para hapos lang natin ang example lang, 5 plus 7 equals 12. O diba, pasapos lang, lugininto talang kaugalingon ta. Pero ini siya, ang 5 gagamang 7, mga positive integers na sila. So this is positive 5 and this is positive 7. If you add them, the answer is also positive 12. Now, let's try mga negative naman ng integers. So example, negative 5 plus negative 7 equals, o pila na siya be. Ay sa pagigling dapat tatandaan, kung may mga negative signs ta, usually ginabutang tama na sila sang parenthesis. So butangan ta sa parenthesis ang aton nga negative 7. Pwede ko man butangan parenthesis ang aton nga negative 5, kaso hindi lang ko i-feel ko lang. Okay, so negative 5 plus negative 7. Negative 5 plus negative 7, pareho sila negative. So the answer will also be negative. So ini siya may negative 12. If you notice, ang ilang signs pareho. So positive plus positive, positive gyapon. If negative plus negative, negative gyapon. What if lainay? Okay, what if lainay ang ilang mga signs? For example, may arata sang positive 5 plus negative 7. O arabe. 5 plus negative 7. Ang positive 5, positive. Kinsulit ko lang. Ang negative 7, negative. Ginsulit ko man. So, ang 5 plus negative 7, they have opposite signs. Basta gani opposite na ang signs, ang aton nga obrohon is gina-minus na sila. Sige. So, 5 minus 7, pwede ta na sulion. 7 minus 5. Pwede lang na. Papay ilang ko bala. So 7 minus 5 tada na. Kay mas dako ang 7 sang sa 5. So 7 minus 5 at syempre 2. 2. Yung na answer ta, hindi pa na siya mo. So, ang ating nga brown is we look for the larger number. So this is 5 and this is 7. Hindi na ni pag-imind ang sign. So ari siya 5, ari 7. Hindi na mas dako 7. Very good. So ang 7, ang iyang sign is negative. Ang ating nga brown is i-copy talang actually ang iyang sign. O, diba? So, the answer is negative 2. Again, 7 minus 5, that's 2. So, you copy the signs ang mas dako nga number. What if sulion ta? What if negative ang una? So, positive ang isa. Okay, sige. So, aribe, negative 5 plus positive 7. O, gimutangan ko lang siya sang linya para namin. Okay, so negative 5 plus 7, ini siya negative. Ini siya positive. They have opposite signs. So when you have opposite signs, again, ating obrohon is we just subtract. Okay? So again, 7 minus 5, that is 2. Sulat ko na ang 2. And again, once you're done subtracting, ang imo lang gid nga obrohon is you look for the signs ang mas dako nga number. So ari again, this is 5, this is 7. Don't mind the sign yet. Di na mas dako. Ang 5 or ang 7? Dapalon kung nagambal 5. 7 ang answer. Okay, so ang 7, ang iyang sign is positive. So, positive man ang ating answer. You don't have to put the plus sign here para masiling mga positive 2. Okay na siya. Pero kung gusto mo pabudlayan, kaugalingon mo, pwede mo mabutangan plus. Butangan mo siya plus. Tapos i-erase mo lang. Okay. Nan. Okay, so isa pa yung technique para ma-remember natin on how to do addition on integers, addition of integers. So we have same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Copy the sign of the bigger number, then it will be exact. Row your boat na asang sabor. Ang sound yung lahaw. Okay, so paano niyo siya gamitan? Okay, for example, 12 plus 25 equals 37. Kung may calculator ka mo, pwede nyo man na i-try, testingin nyo kung sakto. Okay. So you have positive 12 and positive 25. They have the same sign. Same sign. So what do? You add them. Okay, so 12 plus 25, that's 37. And then you keep. Ano yung mo i-keep? Si crush, hindi. Ang imo nga i-keep is ang sign. So positive sila dua, so positive man siya. Okay, so that's 37. Next, negative 12 plus negative 25, i-plus mo lang sila, parehas ang 12 plus 25. So, negative 12 plus negative 25 is 12 plus 25, 37 gyapon. And then, you keep the sign. Ano ito nga sign? Negative. So, this is negative 37. O, dali naman ta. Different signs subtract. Okay, so different signs. For example, you have positive 25 kag negative 12. Okay, if you have different signs, i-subtract mo sila. So, 25 minus 12, that is 13. And then, you copy the sign of the bigger number. Then, it will be exact. Actually, ang ini, gindugal na siya para mag-rhyme. Pero, ang actually, kailangan talang aryo. Okay, so copy the sign of the bigger number. Ang bigger nga number is 25. It's positive. So, i-minus na sila. 25 minus 12, that's 13. You copy the sign of the bigger number. So, positive 13. Okay? Let's try negative 25 plus 12. Okay, so negative 25 plus 12. 25 minus 12, that's also 13. Pero you copy the sign of the bigger number, so negative 13. Alright? So that's how you do addition of integers.